Good morning, student. Myself, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Srivastav, Associate Professor, Khalsa College, Patiala. We will discuss about Introduction to Soil Science, SSC 114, course offered for BSc Agriculture Honors first semester. Topic: Concept of land, soil and soil science. First question is, what is land? Land we define as an area of earth, surface including all elements of physical and biological environments that influence its use. Thus, land refer not only to soil but also to landform like climate, hydrology, fauna and flora, known as land. Next question is soil. What is soil? As early as 5000 BC, the Vedas and Upanishad as well as other ancient Indian documents mention soil as synonyms with land, the mother, synonyms with land, the mother, supporting and nursing all life on the earth. Soil. Soil is a mixture of weathered rocks, organic matter, water, air that is capable for supporting plant life, known as soil. Other than the soil term was derived from the Latin word solum, meaning is floor. Scientist Whitney given the definition in 1892, soil is a nutrient bin which supply all the nutrients required for plant growth. It means soil is the infinite life of soul. Other definition of soil, it is defined as the uppermost loose layer of the earth suitable for plant growth, known as soil. Other scientists also be given his thoughts. Soils are complex mixture of minerals, water, air, organic matter and countless organisms that are the decaying remains of once living things, known as soil. Now, scientists given Ruppin and Simonson 1968, soil is a mixture of earth uppermost mantle of weathered rocks and organic matter, known as soil. Soil, other scientists again define the soil. Soil is a dynamic natural body on the surface of the earth in which plants growth composed of mineral and organic materials and living form known as soil. Buckman and Brady, 1969. I want to repeat again. This definition is: soil is a dynamic natural body on the surface of the earth in which plants grow, composed of mineral and organic material and living form known as soil. Buckman and Brady, 1969. This is the soil, natural formation of soil, different types of soil. Next question, component of soil. There are four components, major four components in soil: air, water, organic matter, mineral. Distribution of component: 25% air, 25% water, 5% organic matter, 45% minerals particle in soil. Soil air has a higher moisture and carbon dioxide level and lower oxygen level than atmospheric air. Soil water: it is the water in the soil which contain the soluble salt, dissolve carbon dioxide and oxygen. It is found in the soil pore or held as a film around the soil particle known as soil water. Soil minerals are very important substance found in soil. Minerals basically formed by the breakdown of large rocks. Some of the most common minerals found in soil are iron, potassium, magnesium, calcium and sulfur, etc. Soil organic matter: carbon based molecules derived from plants and animals. The soil community, the 5% of organic matter. So how to form the organic matter in soil? By microorganism and macroorganism. They will improve the soil organic matter, that is backbone of the soil. Next question is soil science. The soil science dealing with soil as a natural resources on the surface of the earth, including pedology, physical, chemical, biological property of soil and these properties in relation to their management for crop production, known as soil science. Subdivision of soils is science. First is pedology. Pedology studies formation, chemistry, morphology and classification of soil. We can study under pedology. Next one is edaphology, influence of soil on organisms, especially plants. we can study under adaptology. He was the father of soil science, V.V. Dokuchev, 1886. We want to also discuss about the extension activity. The soil science came from ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. First is CSSRI, Central Soil Salinity Research Institute, Karnal. Second one is IISS Bhopal, Indian Institute of Soil Science, Bhopal. Both institute continuously study and research activity fulfill according to the basic requirements and innovative technique. Approaches of soil study: pedagogical approach, the origin of the soil, its classification and its description are examined by pedology, from Greek word pedon, means soil or earth. Pedology is the study of soil as a natural body and does not focus on the soil immediate practical use. A pedologist study examines and classifies soil as they occur in their natural environment. Pedology word came from two word is pedon plus logos, that is Greek word. Pedon means soil or earth, logos discourse and study, discuss and study. Therefore, to study the origin, classification and description of soil is known as pedology. I want to repeat again. Therefore, to study the origin, classification and description of soil is known as pedology. Adaptology approach. Adaptology word came Greek word adapos, means soil or ground, is the study of soil from the standpoint of higher plant. Adaptology, adapos plus logos, is a Greek word. Adapos means soil or ground, logos is discourse of soil. To study the soil from the standpoint of higher plants is known as adaptology. Adaptologists consider the various property of soil in relation to plant production. They are practical and have the production of food and fiber as their ultimate goal. They must determine the reasons for variation in the productivity of soil and find means for improvements. Soil can be compared to various systems of animal. Like number 1, digestive system, organic matter decomposition. Number 2, respiratory system, air circulation and exchange of gases. Circulatory system, blood, water movement within the soil. Excretory system, leaching out of excess salt in soil. Leaching out of excess salt from soil. Brain, soil clay. Color, soil color. Height, soil depth. Soil science has 6 well defined and developed disciplines. First is soil fertility. We can study in nutrient supplying property of soil. Second one is soil chemistry, chemical constituents, chemical property and the chemical reactions. Soil physics involve the study of soil physical property. Soil microbiology deal with microorganism, its population, classification, its role in transformation. Soil conservation, dealing with protection of soil against physical loss by erosion or against chemical deterioration, that is excessive loss of nutrients, either neutral or artificially means soil conservation. Last is soil pedology, dealing with the genesis, survey and classification of soil. So students, this is the fundamental basics soil science and components. Thank you so much. If any doubts, any questions, you can put in comments box.